So this is the local hood that I live in. It's called the Duc Hoa Industrial Park, something like that. Duc Hoa Industrial Village, basically meaning for I don't know, a few mile radius, nothing but factories. Maybe a few homes here and there, really. I mean, there are some homes around here, but it's mostly just a place where factories go. And factories are wall to wall to wall. Like, this is the next factory next to us. Okay, so there's a grassy field right there. But instead of seeing mansions on the street, you see a bunch of pretty, and of course always under construction area right here. Like our area over there has been under construction the last few months. This has been under construction the last few months. And we got this right here. There's a pretty lake over there. So there's a lot of scenery right here, but I want to practice some skateboarding, and I guess it's also time to show you all around a little bit. I'm still very amateurish at skateboarding, so I'm just learning a little bit day by day. For some reason, I'm getting a lot of forward balance lately. Actually, the thing is, like, I always get better and worse at something before I get good at it. Like the other day, I was doing great. Then I went on vacation, and then I started sucking. I'm still not really where I was. It also doesn't matter how many times I remember, like, okay, make sure my feet are usually about shoulder width apart, whatever, all that other shit, all that other stuff. Doesn't really matter. Alright, so over yonder is the lake. That breeze feels so nice.